JAC against the brutal killing of KH Priyaluxmi Devi today submitted a memorandum to Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla seeking thorough probe into the incident. Notably, Priyaluxmi was found dead under mysterious circumstances near Maharani Bagh in South Delhi on April 19. The JAC members submitted the memorandum through DC Bishnupur Laurembam Bikram after organizing a rally from Ngaikong Sipai to DC office Bishnupur. Speaking to reporters, the JAC convener N. Bishrup expressed suspicion of having a foul play in the death of Priyaluxmi, citing lack of evidence for committing suicide by jumping down from the 5th floor of the building she was staying. Further demanding a thorough probe into the incident and award capital punishment to the individuals involved, the JAC convener decried that crime commission against the women from northeast states has remained unabated in national capital and other metropolitan cities of the country, despite Prime Minister Narendra Modi repeatedly shouting "Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao." While informing that the memorandum highlights all these matters and seeks Prime Minister Narendra Modi's intervention, Bishrup added that DC Bishnupur has given assurance for extending every possible help to conduct an investigation into the case.
Matau kamdongna hariba angang asi society tawribano natragana dolan mathaktagi chongtharagasu floor manga adudagi chongtharagtagadi mamai kaiba makum ku tekpa yawa poto amta leitabanina madugi investigation matik chabadu uthongnaba aduga athu matamda hariba senaba singsi kana kana no haibadu khangdongnabagi aduga khangdo matungda matik chaba bibam thokpa murder case na senaiba मीसिंग अदु आइन गोइबा मतिक चाबा सेराकु लखलहनिंगी हाइबो वफमदुनी लोइनना दिसिने याम फजना कोइ एक्सेप्ट तौबी माना अथुबु मतमदा दिसि लंगला लंगिन पुथोकबु ngamननबगी मरि लेनबा होम कमिश्नर दा याम थुना थादना कोइ थाजबदु याम फजन पिबिरे लोइनना कोइ हेक फमबा नि अमा वारि साना मतुंगदा मागे मरि लेनबो ऑफिशियल सिंग कौसनदना चेसांग यु कंटिन्यूअसली एमता पंदना याम थुना थाबगसि पांथोकपा याननबगीदमक्ता प्रोसेस होग्रे मसिगीदमक्तासु कोइ दिसि बिष्णुपुरबु जेसी गी माइकैदि हाइने लेतन थाकबु फोंगोकचरी मणिपुर गोइना अवाब नंगलिबसिंग असे थोक्तननबा कोइ सेक्शन थोरांग लौबोयबसे अखोइ पुनमक लौमिनबगी मतम मदु ओइरबनि